Meaning of Javanese.
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 Javanese. Javanese can refer to a few different things. One meaning of Javanese is a person or thing that comes from the island of Java, which is part of Indonesia. The Javanese people are an ethnic group native to Java and they have their own language, culture, and traditions. Javanese can also refer to the Javanese language itself, which is spoken by the Javanese people and is one of the most widely spoken languages in Indonesia. Finally, Javanese can also describe something that is related to or characteristic of Java or Javanese culture, such as Javanese music or Javanese architecture.